Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my series on GoodNotes and digital note taking. Today, I promised you that I would show you how to upload a photo or an image, how to download it to your iPad and then upload it to GoodNotes so you can play around with your notes and have a lot of fun. So I am going to go to my website. You will go to your wherever it is that you want to download your file. Okay, so I am going to go to these journaling stickers and we're going to click here. All right, and so I'm going to click on the journaling stickers. So here's my file. This is a PDF file because it's all a bunch of pages all saved together. So if you wanted it to be an image file, you would need to take a screenshot of this from your iPad and then upload it. I'm going to just make it easy. I'm actually just going to take a screenshot of it anyway. So right now you will just take a screenshot. Well, let me find a sticker so you know what I'm doing. I mean, these are cute too, but let's just find a sticker. Okay, so this is a digital sticker, right? We're going to click on the screenshot and we are going to edit out. So we're going to grab the corner with our little pencil and we're going to cut around basically what we want to add to our book. So let's do, oh, why am I making it so difficult? Let's do kingdom. No, let's do something prettier. This one. Okay, so you're going to draw right around that, just like that. And then see how it's going to save it like that? You're going to go to the square in the upper right corner with the arrow, and you're going to save this file. So save to files. You can save it on the iCloud drive or on your iPad, wherever you'd like to, and I'm just going to click page. Do you see how it's saving it as a PNG image? It's because I took a screenshot. So it took the picture from the PDF and made it into a PNG image. A PNG or a JPEG are image files, okay? They don't have to be image files to download them to your tablet, but they have to be to find them on GoodNotes. So let me explain that in just a minute. We're going to save this. All right, so now I'm going to close this out and I'm going to open my GoodNotes. I'm going to go back to my inductive Bible study workbook and we are going to turn to a new page. Okay, we're going to say that we're going to put it here. So remember I told you in the white bar, you're going to click on the little mountain with the sunshine. All right, now look at right up here, your image automatically pops up. So I click on it. I can grab this corner here and size it, whatever size that I want it. I'm going to go through and actually look at a couple of, let's see, I have the map already uploaded. So let's say that I wanted to put the map on this page. This is not a page. This page is for writing prayer. I'm just showing you what all you could do with it to download it. You can layer them. So the one that you uploaded last is going to be the one that ends up on top, okay? So this one will always end up on top no matter where I move it. That one's going to end up on the bottom. So all you do is tap the image with your pencil, scoot it around where you want it. You grab the toggle in the lower right corner to change the size. And then you tap anywhere on the page to unselect it. And there you're going to click the image you want to select. You can drag it around. You can do it at an angle. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this, but whatever image you uploaded most recently will be the image that is on top if you decide to layer them, okay? So anytime you want to grab an image and move it around later, you have to make sure that you are in the image file. So I clicked on the image file again up here, the little picture with the mountain, and it's showing me all of my different images. So I actually have some gray grid dot paper. So the other day when I did this, I could have actually covered that up with this. Let's see what it does. Oh, no, it distorts it. I could have actually covered up my gray dots and started fresh with this, which is really interesting. I don't know that you'll have a gray dot image on your iPad, but you will have the ability to take screenshots and do this with your stickers. So let me show you another for instance. This sticker here, this, I took a screenshot of it and uploaded it to my iPad, and then I selected it from my files. Now, something I want you to notice about this is, remember how I told you that because I create the stickers really close to each other on the page, you're gonna sometimes have some bleed over image. So see where I have this flower here? That's really not supposed to be there. So you'll use the same trick that you did before with the white pen, and you will just simply color over the corner of that flower, and then there's a little bit of yellow right there. You'll just simply color over it, and then that is done. Let me show you how I can select. See how I can select this? Okay, now I'm gonna backspace because see, I actually had color there. If you can tell, see how the gray dots are missing? I had already covered this part of this. So if I go to move this sticker, I'm gonna have to recover those spots. Okay, so that's the trick to it. You can move them around wherever you want them. In the next video, I will show you how you can download some of these Post-it notes and move things around that way. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.